So what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech. So guys, today I'll tell you how to get Snapchat public profile. So guys, let's begin with today's video without wasting any further time. And guys, if this trick worked for you, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that like button. So first of all, what you have to do is just open your Snapchat, open settings, go down, and now do contact me everyone. Change this to from my friends to everyone. Use my selfie everyone. Send me notification everyone. View my story everyone. See me in quick add. Make it okay. See me in quick add, yes. Ticket. And you can keep my location to ghost mode only. No need to change that, I think. But if the trick doesn't work, just try changing it and then do again, but no need. And after doing it everyone, I already got my public profile, so it took me so long and I got many errors, like it was showing that on when I clicked on that public profile here, so it was showing me that show my name only and no option to add public profile. So I'll soon make a video on how to fix that too. So subscribe and stay tuned, click the bell icon. So now after making it to everyone, these things everyone, and just go back, close this application, and now open VPN. You can download Super VPN, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy, change server, go down, US Dallas 1. Okay, connect success, sorry. Okay, now what you have to do is just open your Snapchat again, and after you open your Snapchat, just refresh open it 3-4 times again and again until the spotlight just comes up. After it comes here, click on this 3 dots, and here it will show you to create a public profile. Then you have to just create the public profile, and simply you will get a profile like this I got. And after you get a profile like this, you can edit your name just like this. You can also show subscriber count, hide it, change your name, enter bio. So I hope you liked my video and hope the trick worked for you. If the trick worked for you, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. And if the trick doesn't work for you, I'll soon make a video on the errors that you get, and with that video you will probably fix your thing. And make sure to subscribe if it worked, and if it didn't work, then just comment down what were the errors you are facing, and I'll soon make a video. I'll drop a video in 2 or 3 days. Thanks for watching. Like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is aps_tech_youtube. Also subscribe me on Snapchat APS Tech 1313. Thanks. Bye. Peace.